official PMI figures for February are out today, and it's at a 5-month low. What will it indicate?
Honestly, we're not that worried with the PMI number. If you take an average of a Jan and Feb, that number still is higher than the December number. So the recovery is there, but our belief always was that each of the large economies is going through its structural issues, whether it's US, Europe, China, India, and the recovery is going to be far more gradual this time around. So we're not worried. We remain constructive, but not really outrightly bullish on markets.
What are investors expecting from China's NPC meeting next week? Are they comfortable with the new leadership's reform approach, and how will the meeting impact markets?
I think till now, whatever the sound bites we've got from the new leadership, they're reassuring. But we need to see more action towards, let's say, interest rate liberalization, proper channelizing of capital in the economy, because clearly there's a belief that capital allocation has been a big issue with the economy. If we see from November onwards, the off-balance sheet growth has been slightly worrisome. I mean, Jan number was close to 25%. So you need to see proper allocation of capital in the economy. Outside that, you need to see a lot of steps to move from investment-based growth to a more consumption-based growth through more tax rebates and channelizing again financial savings better towards insurance products, which are long-term healthy products.
How concerned are you about China's property markets?
I think clearly there's a bit of overheating in that space, but it is not really extremely worrisome. I think government is fairly cognizant of that, and they keep taking steps every now and then. So it's not really a big issue.
What is the risk of a currency war breaking out as the yen continues to decline further and as Haruhiko Kuroda is appointed BOJ governor?
I think that's an issue we have to live with. Almost everybody is trying to regain competitiveness through currency devaluation. So clearly, I think it's going to be a very thin line where governments are going to allow some bit of a recovery through that. But if it just gets too overbearing, then there would be a lot of noise on that.